Hey there, if you got one of these water features that the pump buggered up, the hose rotted out, don't throw it out. Right now these little pumps are on sale at Princess Auto, $9.99. You can buy a little bag of tubing, I don't know, 10 feet in a tube, and yeah, I just replaced the tubing inside this little fellow with his fire hose and the brand new pump, and we'll put it down here inside, and then I'm going to cut off that length, whatever I don't need. So let's set this down in there and get the distance. There you go, sitting down there. You don't have to get fancy like this, but I just like to make sure I've got it, the pump all the way to the bottom of the base. So I will then snip this off here. Everything's happily there. Let's put some water in it, maybe some little rocks and stuff. I'll plug this in and see if it works. 1/4 inch, 10 foot of clear tubing. You can buy this stuff. There's a partner over there. You can buy this stuff by the foot. Would have been a lot cheaper, but I don't know. I guess I've got 9 feet for another project. Here's the pump, little 45 gallons per hour. And look at this guy. Look, peeing away. Absolutely no prostate problem there. So he's good to go. Didn't throw him out. There you go. Fix your guy up.